What's the meaning of carpool? Carpool. Carpool.
Carpool. Carpool. Carpool is the practice of commuting to work or other destinations by sharing a car with a group of people. Instead of driving alone, carpooling allows individuals to share the ride, saving money on fuel and reducing traffic congestion and air pollution. By pooling resources, passengers can also split the cost of tolls and parking fees. Carpooling has numerous benefits, including reducing carbon emissions, promoting social connections, and easing the strain on road infrastructure. Overall, carpooling is an excellent way to save money, reduce environmental impact, and promote community building.